Hello guys, welcome to my another tutorial in which you will learn basic of motion graphics in Canva. It will be very helpful especially for beginner. First of all, we will select template. Let's add new page to create a frame. Now edit background color for our new outro we are going to make. In every template there are some extra things we don't need, so we will delete these frames. Now drag the corner of frame to change the duration. Here is the section where we can get our uploaded files for animation. Let's insert our logo in frame. At the top you will see animate button, click on it. After that, select animation style according to your video. I will select the stump effect, which creates zoom in. Now we will add transition between frames. There are two buttons, click on transition. Select any style according to your video. I will choose color wipes and edit according to video. Now I don't need this text, so I will delete this. If you need any clarity, let me know in comments. Thanks for watching.